Think you're sleeping fine, think again. But what if one common habit is quietly attacking your body while you rest? Millions of people do this without realizing it. It feels comfortable at first, you close your eyes, but your body is silently paying the price. No pain, no alarm, just energy slowly disappearing. Night after night. That's why some people wake up tired, heavy, or unfocused. Even after a full night of sleep, it's not stress, it's not age. It's not your mattress. Want to know the real problem? It's sleeping, on your stomach, still not convinced. Let me show you why danger surrounds you every night if you sleep this way. 1. Continuous strain on the heart. When you lie on your stomach, all your body weight presses on your chest. Your heart works silently against that pressure all night. Some people wake up with a fast heartbeat, sudden anxiety, or chest tightness even with no obvious reason. 2. Slow oxygen reduction. Your lungs need room to expand. Sleeping on your stomach compresses your chest and limits lung capacity. Oxygen slowly decreases in the blood without any warning. Morning headaches, fatigue, and mental fog are often linked to this silent oxygen drop. 3. Compressed nerves for hours. To breathe comfortably, your neck twists to the side. Nerves stay compressed for hours, causing numbness, pain, or dizziness when you wake up. Your body doesn't warn you immediately, it just stores the damage. The silent danger. Sleeping on your stomach doesn't hurt instantly. You don't wake up in pain. You don't feel it. But energy is slowly stolen night after night, leaving you tired even after a full sleep. Danger is real for everyone sleeping on their stomach. But for those with high blood pressure, extra weight, breathing problems, or a history of irregular heartbeat, the risk hits even harder. For them, it's not just uncomfortable, it's a silent assault on their body every single night. Now let me show you the smart way to protect yourself. Changing your sleeping position suddenly doesn't work. Your body is trained to return to its habit. Here's how to fix it gradually. 1. Change the starting position. Start your sleep on your side, not your stomach. Place a pillow in front of your chest. It gently prevents rolling onto your stomach. 2. Pillow between the knees. Without it, your hips and lower back twist, forcing your body back to stomach sleeping. The pillow balances the hips and stabilizes your lower back, keeping your body at ease. 3. Proper head pillow height. To high twists the neck, to low restricts breathing. Your head should stay aligned with your spine, neither lifted nor sunk. If you wake up on your stomach, don't panic, turn slowly onto your side. Even if it happens multiple times, repetition gradually trains your body to stay off the stomach. 5. Be extra careful if you're at risk. High blood pressure, obesity, snoring, irregular heartbeat, or chronic neck pain. This isn't just a habit, it's a nightly move that can protect your life. The takeaway: your body can't defend itself while you sleep. You are the only one who can protect it before closing your eyes. Start tonight. Change the beginning of your sleep, not just the middle. Start tonight. Protect your body while you sleep. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tip that keeps your body safe.